alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome to the family. My name is Fadumo, and today I want to talk about, there's a girl in my channel ask me if I have any ideas about producing breast milk. I'm sorry if I can't say it the right way. So I just want to answer her. She asked me to make a video about this, and all I want to say is I'm gonna tell you, sister, what works for me, it might not work for you, and what works for you, it might not work for me. But try these things and see if it will help you, and if it does, that's very good. That's the goal. And then if it doesn't, I'm so sorry. First thing is first, you get oatmeal. Okay, the first food is oatmeal. That's what I eat every morning. I used to eat every morning when I breastfeed, and I really feel that it helped me. Okay, make your oatmeal the way you like it to make, the way you love, and then add some. You can add some chia seeds. Chia seeds is really good, and you can add some nuts. Nuts also is good for breastfeeding. What else? Eat some green as much as you can. Eat some green, like kale, spinach, that kind of things. You can eat. You can make some like lunchtime. You can make big old. That's what I used to do. I used to make a big old salad, like a salad, bunch of mixed leaves, and I will add some chicken or something, and then I'll eat it. And what else? Avocado. Avocado's really good. It helps. And water. Okay, drink a lot of water, as much as you can. Water is always good for you. It doesn't hurt anything. And then you can pump. If you don't have a pumper, I'm sure if you receive a week, okay, all you have to do is just go to your doctor and get a note from the doctor that you need a pump, and then you return it back to the weak place, and they will send you without costing you anything. If you have insurance, the insurance will pay for it. And if you have a pump already, make sure you pump all the time, and pump every 2 hours. Even if the baby's sleeping, you don't want to wake the baby up, all you can do is just pump both sides. Don't do only one side, because you know, as a woman, as a mom, when you're breastfeeding, one side it has more than the other side. But if you just stick on one side, the other side is just gonna dry out. So what you do is, even if you don't get a lot from the other side, just make sure you pump. And then when you're breastfeeding the baby, I know little babies, they don't like, there's certain breasts that they don't like they don't like it. And just don't be, oh, he doesn't like or she doesn't like this side, so I'm just gonna stick on one side. No, make them do like a breast from the other side too. Feed from the other side. What else? Yeah, I used to do those things. And then there's beans. Beans is good for you. There's this one Pacific beans that we eat as the Somalians. I don't know how to say it in English, but it's called salbuko. It's just a little green beans. I will try to put a picture somewhere. And yeah, eat that in the morning. I'm sure you know, if you're Somali, eat that in the morning and eat that for dinner, and it helps. And then one other advice that I have for all moms here is, when we have baby, all we can think about is how to lose weight. I do too. When I had babies, all you can think is how to lose weight, and then you're gonna forget about eating, and then you're gonna forget about drinking, like, so you can stay dehydrated and you can feed your baby. Don't do that, please. I used to do that, and I really regret, because focus on yourself. Okay, focus on your health. Don't worry about this weight. It will go away. As you go, the weight will go away. think about it. You've been pregnant for 9 months almost, and all this month you've been getting weight on you. Okay, it take all that time. You didn't get you like the weight. You didn't get it overnight. It take time, and it will take time to lose it. So don't stress yourself out. Just all you can do is focus on your health and focus on your baby, cause that those little time they grow up just like that. Trust me, they grow up so fast. So enjoy as long as you can when they little. I love those little snuggles, and I hope you and your baby doing well, inshallah. And if you have any other question, you can ask me. There was a girl ask apple cider vinegar. Can I use apple cider vinegar when I breastfeed? Honestly, I don't know. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a professional, like, but all I know is I won't do it. Like me, I will not do it when I'm breastfeeding. You can do it after you get done breastfeeding. It's fine. But I don't know if it'll hurt the baby or it will hurt you, or I don't know. Do your own research. Talk to your doctor before you do anything. Talk to your doctor. Always talk to your doctor before you try anything you see on the internet, YouTube, Google, or anything. It's always to talk. It's the best to talk to a doctor. Okay, and yeah, that's the things help me, and I hope it helps you too. And what else? Yes, and there's another announcement I need to make. My channel is not gonna be anymore in Somali. I'm sorry if you feel offended. It's just I have a lot of family members that speak English, and it's not fair for them not to understand the things I talk about all the time. And there's and what else? Yeah, and I think that's it. That's all I have to say today. And we're gonna do more vlogs, inshallah, and we're gonna make more videos and with the kids and my husband, inshallah. The reason they're not on my videos all the time is because I speak Somali, and they really don't understand that much Somali. So, and I know a lot of people in the world that speak English. So, yeah, that's it. That's all I have to say on this video. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and leave like. I don't even know what I'm saying sometimes, but I love you all, and I love you all supporting me and what I like to do and my family. And that's all. Try those things, sister. If it works for you, I hope it works for you. So that's all I know, and that helped me, and I hope it helped you too. So assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bye, friends.